Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm out here looking at a Grand Design reflection, and I just wanted to do a quick video just to show you like locations of things. So if you ever need something to do with your awnings, right? This particular awning's got some damage over here, some impact damage on the material. And so if you call and you want a part price or a number, those numbers right there is what everybody's looking for. So that sticker is pretty much protected when the awning rolls up. It doesn't usually go bad. And there's also another number that's on the actual arms itself. I think if I seen it was when I came over here to the door. Let me see if I can capture that as well for you. This unit's in here for a bunch of different work. And I think that sticker is up in there. Sometimes they're in some other odd spots. Maybe just a warning sticker, but you know, oh, actually, I think, nope, that's another warning sticker. But there is a sticker somewhere floating around on these awning arms that tells you all the information on that as well. So whenever you're looking at, you know, doing a repair or replacement, you want a new fabric, you need a new strut for the awning, any of that kind of fun stuff, that's some of the things that you'll look at. So whenever we do a awning fabric replacement, you know, we're trying to find out, obviously, do they still make the same color? Because this coach is about 8 years old, and you know, is the LED on a separate track? And you can see the stitching is worn. There's holes in the awning fabric. The awning smells pretty rough, and all those dark lines is actually where it's still wet and it hasn't rained here in quite a few days. So you can see all the holes in the material itself, and then down here at the front where it's more torn and coming loose, it's just aged. So if you're looking to kind of buy yourself some time or preserve these guys, make sure you're cleaning them with appropriate soap and water. There's a lot of different awning fabric cleaners that's out there on the market from all the different brands. And then I'm a big guy on the 303 UV treatment. So you can take and apply 303 UV treatment on the rolled closed position. So like say how this one is rolled up, you can apply that product on it and that will help protect it from the sun damage. You can also put that on all your plastics, your fender skirts, anything that's rubber, vinyl, you know, or plastic. You know, you can put it on your decals, you can put it on all the plastics around the window and everything. So anyways, before I get rattling on in a different direction, I just wanted to give you that information about the awning and where that number is located. So thanks so much for watching. It's Dustin, your RV specialist.